Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a red lentil soup. Lentils are very good for you because they're very high in protein, they have complex carbs, they have fiber, they are gluten-free, and they're heart healthy. We're going to use olive oil, tomato, onion, salt, celery, leeks, garlic, carrot, half a bell pepper, bay leaves, the lentils, water, sweet paprika, and a little bit of cumin. The cumin helps you digest the lentils, so don't skip on that. And we're going to add a little bit of red vinegar at the end, or balsamic vinegar. I changed my mind and put balsamic vinegar at the end. If you don't cook with leeks, what you do is you remove the first two leaves because they have sand, and you want to do that, then you rinse them really well, and you're ready to cook. You just cut the ends where the roots are, and you cut where the leaves start, and that's all. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute the garlic. We're going to brown it, and we're going to set it aside. We're going to reserve the garlic because we don't want to burn it. After we do that, we're going to add all the vegetables in big chunks. You can cut them in smaller pieces if you want to, but I am going to blend them into a puree once the lentils are done. And you want to make them really brown on medium heat for about 15-20 minutes, maybe more. So now we're adding the cumin powder and the paprika, sweet paprika, and we have to add the grated tomato, and we're gonna allow the tomato to evaporate all its water. We're gonna mix really well to incorporate all the flavors. Uh, when you add the paprika, you have to add some sort of liquid or something that has liquid in it because you don't want it to burn. If it burns, it's going to turn bitter. Then we add the garlic back into the pot, bay leaves, salt, and we continue to cook. Now the lentils. With the lentils, you can rinse them and add them. These were clean, and I just add them together. And you add the water to cover the lentils. You're gonna bring them to a boil and cover them and simmer them for 12 to 15 minutes. That's all it takes to cook. Once they're cooked, you're going to remove the bay leaves. You're gonna fish them out, throw them away, and all the vegetables you're going to blend into a puree, and that puree with all that flavor is going to go back into the pan and into the soup, and it's just going to add a ton of flavor to it. And that's pretty much it. Then you're ready to eat, you're ready to serve. It doesn't take very long. As usual, if you like my channel, if you like the work that I do, please subscribe, like, share, and leave comments. If you have questions, leave comments there. And at the end, I put about a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. You can put red wine vinegar there as well. And when I serve them, I always put grated cheese. I like my lentils with grated cheese. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Chaito.